Oregon health officials now recommend face coverings or masks instead of those face shields. They say the shields just aren't as effective at stopping tiny droplets that can get into the air. There are some limited exceptions, though, including communicating with someone who is deaf or hearing impaired. Tonight, Fox 12's Audrey Wheel spoke with a doctor about why masks have been so difficult for some of their patients and the little things we can all do to be more considerate of that.
Just the mask in general is a big source of frustration.
Audiologist Catherine Kelly at the Hearing Center of Portland says her patients have had to adjust quite a bit to this new normal of covered faces. Realize it or not, she says masks are muffling our voices.
A simple medical mask reduces speech about 3 to 4 decibels. And then if you're wearing a thicker mask or one that's similar to an N95, that can reduce up to 12 decibels, which is actually a lot.
Not to mention, once I put my mask on, it's impossible to read my lips or even pick up on all of my facial expressions and cues.
You have to go by people's eyes, and then if they're wearing glasses, that makes it even worse.
We spoke with Denise Hinton over the phone. She says she's relied on her hearing aids.
I don't have profound hearing loss. For people who have profound hearing loss, I think it could be really, really bad. You're sort of unaware of how much you do read people's lips, whether you have good hearing or not.
Dr. Kelly says the face coverings with clear plastic in the middle have been a good option. And there are several little things we can all do to help if we're wearing a mask around someone hard of hearing.
Just get their attention, face them, try and limit any distractions, anything going on in the background or external noises. And then if somebody doesn't hear what you've said, don't just repeat what you've said, try and rephrase it.
And she says recognize that someone who can't hear you isn't ignoring you. It's important to be patient. In Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.